years of experience in research and development, manufacturing and marketing. The company currently has 30 mechanical engineers, 25 CNC development engineers, and more than 50 senior technicians. Over the years, the company has always been committed to manufacturing high-efficiency and versatile domestic new CNC machinery products. We currently produce automatic optimizing saw, wood color selector, automatic combining machines, high-speed crosscut saws, etc. And the products are exported to Russia, India, Vietnam, and other countries and regions. In the future,瑞力特 will make unremitting efforts to provide you with the best products and best services.